The presidency. In order to be the president of the USA, you have to be a native-born U.S. citizen and be at least 35 years of age and have been a resident of the United States for at least 14 years. The president is elected to a 4-year term. It's only a 2-year term limit. If something happens to the president, the vice president will swear in as a new president thanks to the 22nd Amendment. The State of the Union address is a yearly report by the President to Congress describing the nation's condition. Also sends Congress a budget proposing how the federal government should raise and spend money. The President influences Congress by dictating what legislation he or she does not want using a veto. Treaties can be written for agreements and must be made with advice and consent of the Senate. The President also issues a pardon, which forgives a person his or her crime and eliminates the punishment. The title for most cabinet members is Secretary. The President appoints the members of the Attorney General as the head of the Department of Justice, and the Senate approves that with majority vote. The Department of Defense is in charge of the nation's armed forces and operates hundreds of military bases in the U.S. and in other nations. The Department of Homeland Security was established after the terrorist attack of 9/11. Its primary mission is to protect the nations against further terrorist attacks. Each of more than 65 independent agencies in the government was created by Congress to perform a specialized job. For example, NASA runs the U.S. space program. Federal election commissions were made in 1974 to enforce the Act of Federal Election and Campaign Act. Enforces election laws, provides financial information for campaigns. The bureaucracy is many department agencies in all levels of the government, such as administrators, lawyers, scientists, engineers, and clerks.